Assalamu alaikum. The date is 23rd May 2025, Friday. The only important news today is that Trump has, since Apple is going to stick to India for manufacturing, they won't be shifting their iPhone production to the US. Then the US President Trump has said that at least 25% tariff must be paid by Apple to the US. I So I guess when you're making money, everybody wants your money, eh? Um, Apart from that, there are some talks going on between China and US. Some slight trade tensions between US and EU because there has been no um, further progress regarding the tariff discussions with the EU. So that is interesting. But I think the most important trade today or right now it's Apple. This is the trade that we need to take today. Um, First off, let's get some volume analysis done. Actually, let's do that on Go charting. Let's Alt C. Why is this not working? Okay, let's get some volume analysis done. Let's take a quick look. The most volume centric area is preset. Ah, I guess we'll have to work with this. The most volume centric. I can't work with this. Horrible. Who decided that this would be the right way to answer? Format delta. Okay, delta is kind of interesting as well, showing who won and who lost. Bid ask. Let's go with total volume. Uh, Gray with this much transparency. Dark gray with no transparency. Why is this not changing? I think this is the important color. Gray with this much transparency. Inside would be darker. And why do I need to do this every time? It's beyond my. Hamza, Apple said that it'll be shifting all of its production from China to India. Trump wanted them to shift it to the US, but Apple did not do that. So Trump said that Apple will have to pay 25% tariff to the US. I know. Don't ask me, bro. It's just good money making opportunity, but don't ask me why. Trump wants to. Bro can do anything. His company, I mean, bro, Apple is it makes no sense. I mean,
Question here is anyone importing from India, they have to pay normal tariffs, but Apple has to pay 25%.
yeah, because Trump was telling them to shift the production to US. But Tim Cook was like, bro, and then he went and met Trump. He was like, bro, it's not possible, man.
Because US is so expensive.
Yeah, production in US must be really expensive, no? You have seen what kind of people live in the US, bro. Nobody's gonna work. At least not like India.
Even after paying
But it'll like boost Indian economy. No, I think Trump does not want that. He's like, yeah, I don't want that. Label volume. Bro, This oh charting man, fucking shit. Anyway, this is saying that majority of the volume is in this area. Where is the ray? The part that annoys me is that every time I need to set it up. One
Don't you
time
have like presets?
I set and then it like goes away.
Use presets again. Just save those presets in some
You
file.
I save it's saved again. They change it and they remove my preset. It's annoying having to set everything up. So this is one of the important areas. The volume just drops right after this. Where is Apple trading in the pre-market? The only good thing that the only thing they got right is showing volume footprint chart and showing correct data. But apart from that, every fucking thing is dog shit, bro. We need to skip to 4th April to 15th April area to see where is Apple trading right now. Apple is trading at 195. And trading will just give you straight up wrong data, bro. They'll be like, ah, fuck off. Okay, so it's right below a very important level. Or I think right above. Because 193 is the important level. We need to go to this area. 3rd April area. First, let's shift Alt G. No, 30, Shift F, Alt. It's April, right? 4th April. Alt G, 4th April. Alt Shift E. uh, 4th April. 4th April. Mm-hmm. Yeah, 4th April is here. What is the important level? 201. I think so. This is an important level. 184 is an important level. And 170 is an important level, but it won't be trading today, so we'll remove it later. Yeah, 200 is very important. And 184 is really important. And max volume was done at 193, so maybe in this 190 area, right where Apple has, I mean, right where to the level where Apple has dropped now.
Apple is 190 right now.
Yeah, it dropped.
Later, Trump's gonna be. Oh, it's fine, bro. No more tariffs.
No, Apple drops a lot.
20, I've seen it so many times.
No,
No?
220 is I think the highest it goes. The lowest it goes is 160. This is in 2024, not 2023.
The lowest is 160.
Yeah, in 2023 it was 124 when Tesla was trading 200. Apple is nowhere near the lowest.
Tesla fell 100 something.
Recently, Apple went 170.
70.
Recently,
They don't have good detail.
they have okay ATR. I don't think it's very good. Their ATR is. I'll have to open another window for that. Anyway, fuck them. Fuck Apple. So right now it's trading somewhere around the high volume range. I think this is an important level. 194. So it's right above this area. That can give us a very good entry on Apple. Let's get rid of. I think let's keep 184. Now it won't go till 184 today. I think let's keep 188, 190. It might turn off of there, or it might go till 184. Bro. This is like, if it breaks down, I think it's gonna travel all the way down till there, okay? And if it holds, I think it'll barely hold. Are we in favor of Apple breaking down or Apple holding up is the question. There is no catalyst suggesting that Apple should break any new levels today. If anything, I either expect sideways rally or I expect a breakdown. But the market can flip the switch on you and just F you in the ass as well. Classic market. You think you know, turns out you don't, nigga. I think I can't see nigga on YouTube. Hmm. So 190. Yeah, I'm black. I'm black. I'm black. This is what modern black people sound like. All right, all right, all right. Yeah, majority of the volume was done at 193 and Apple has turned from there. So I'm betting on the buy order blocks being in this area somewhere. I expect order blocks to be in this area. Buy order blocks. Border green. Okay. Let's see what is Go charting suggesting. Go charting suggesting 193.58. So yeah, if Apple breaks this level, then we expect Apple to just go down like a lot. And I think it won't. Should we take an entry now? No, I think the open might F me then. It'll just whiplash, take some stop losses and kill me. So let's not do something new. All shift E. I think sell orders might be in the 200 zone. So we are going with all shift R from here. I think here, how big is the consolidation? 200.5 to 201.5. I think this would be our consolidation area. This is our text sell order block. I'll just leave the blocks. I'll just leave it as is, the rectangles. I think these two levels look the most important to me. Baby, let it rip. Let's fight an epic battle. Turn the blade and spin the bat. It's time to fight now. We won't stop backing down. Beyblade, Beyblade, let it rip. Let's fight. हो गया यार. Uh, 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 okay, I think our levels are marked, yaar.
Yes,
Yaar, our levels are now marked, and I think we can trade, yaar. Okay, let's see what happens if I go long from here. I put my SL. I put my SL here. I target. Do I target all the way up there? I don't think Apple's gonna go all the way up there. Maybe till here is the best reward can do. Risk reward 1.5. I think that is not worth it. This trade is not worth it. If on the other hand I decide to go short, if I expected on Apple breaking down an important level, and yeah, that is good risk reward. So we want Apple to break down because Apple is good risk reward. Do we short from here? Do we long? I do expect some kind of consolidation, some kind of sideways consolidation. So it would be really important to watch Apple during the open and then decide. Wow, SPY dropped. I mean, it just crossed the level that I marked. So I'm gonna pull my, yeah. SPY is posing for a consolidation as well. SPX, SPX. Baby, baby, let it go. Let's get the levels back and let's switch to 1 day and see what has initiated those. Okay, okay, so this is settings extend right. Okay, so this is an important level. We will skip this block entirely. Let's push this here and let's bring this down here. I am recording. Yeah, I am recording. I did not upload yesterday's video, bro. I forgot.
Well, now the difference between so yes.
I might not make anything at all today. Look at the bright side, bro. With what? Bro, every day is gonna be like this only, bro. You can never know.
Tesla?
You wanna do Tesla?
Yes, yes, it was that. What about today?
Uh, I think today is short oriented because SPY is short and Tesla is trading nearby area. Apple is also trading nearby area. Both are behaving very similar. Do you go with Tesla? I mean, यार last में फिर Tesla यार Tesla यार. I was planning on taking shots on Tesla at maybe 350, but we lost that opportunity. Anyway, I told you that I'll give you the levels at 4. It's 4 now. I need to give you the levels. Okay, I need to start formulating a trading plan and I need to post that on TradingView. What is my trading plan? What is my trading plan for today? 30 all shift E. Let's keep it. Do we try to buy Apple or do we try to? Okay, what do you want to see if you want to buy Apple? What are the things that you should be focusing on? I want to see buying strength if I want to buy Apple. What else do I would I want to see? Apple is very close to a buy zone and US 500 is very close to a sell zone, unfortunately. SPY, or maybe it's still in the zone. It has not like broken the buy order zone. If anything, I wanted to take maybe small size, put my bets in, and I 5 minute. Where does this thing disappear? 575. Okay, it's not showing on the 1 day. My bad. Ah, okay, it's right. It's right below this area. Right, 570. Right below 570. Hamza. Right below 576. He ho so the rinky okay papa. I think today is not the day where SPY breaks any level, especially because we have no catalyst. We don't expect SPY to break any level today. So we're gonna go with this. If for any reason US 500. What are you doing? Not even I wanna know, bro. Share it with the entire class, Hamza. Share it with the entire class. What do you find so funny? Hamza, I'm still getting this delay signals, bro. Don't. And it like even makes fun of you. Please get out of the woodlands.
call you a PC.
Data might be delayed. No, no, no. It's happening because of the net, bro. I showed it was connected via this thing recently. I showed to dad. 900 ms ping I was getting.
There is a service probably.
Oh, shut up, bro. The net is shit. Hamza, the net is shit.
It's US market.
The net is fucking dog ass, bro.
उसमें भी आपको dog ऐसे मिलेगा लेकिन
India has much worse net though. Fuck. वहाँ तुम नहीं कर सकते डे ट्रेडिंग में। इंडिया में लोग करते कैसे, समझ नहीं आता भाई। जैसे गो चार्टिंग का सॉफ्टवेयर है, बस बना दिया है, वहाँ लोग बस कर ले रहे हैं, ऐसी कुछ सीन है वहाँ पे। Okay, more majority of the volume was done at 206. Do we give any respect to 200? 200 has a lot of VIX. That is the only reason why we are respecting 200. 206 can be another potential candidate, giving stock the chance to rally a little higher. 206, 206. So we are opening right at the zone. I think this would be the best chance to enter if I had to go long for any reason. If SPY starts breaking down today, and today is a Friday, so keep that in mind. SPY can start breaking down anytime. Anytime anything can happen, and you might start crying. Oh, yeah, I need to post this thing. Search. Mm. Why is this not? Ah, bro, I need. Net died. It's annoying, man. Apple. Load faster, man, so I can post. Apple looking bullish 14th May 2025. 14th May? Nigga, what? See on Super Shorts. Nobody and giving no idea, bro. And close this. Connect. Ah, no way, I need to connect it all over again. Three three eight three three six. Okay, now that we are logged in, I think I need to mark these levels on capital.com as well. But first, let's post the idea. Publish idea. Is this 30-minute? Yeah. Publish idea. I think this is too small to publish the idea on. You might not be able to see. Publish idea. Okay, this, I think this is a little bit clearer. The idea is uh, Apple long at 193, short at 200, over, let me write today's date, May 23, 2025. Overview. Trump has announced 25% tariff, has announced that Apple needs to pay 25% to the US for manufacturing the iPhone out of the US. Sorry, no, for manufacturing the iPhone in India and not in the US. Uh, the stock is currently trading at 195, 194. If the 193 to 195 level is held, we go long. We go long till 200. If the 193 to 195 level is consolidating but with high selling aggression, we go short till 183, till 184 area. If doesn't hold at all, we wait for a second attempt and get an entry of the view app if possible. We stay bearish for the entire day. If okay, these are the three things. If it is held, we go long. If it consolidates with high selling aggression, we go short. And if 193 level does not hold at all, we wait for second attempt. We try to get in a short and we stay bearish for the entire day. With 184 being our next potential pivot. Right. Is this all the planning that you want to do, Imad? That is all the planning that makes sense to me right now. If there is something else I need to add, I might. So let's long at 193, long at 184, short at 206. Okay. If then meant continue neutral chart analysis. Notepad. Too much. Remove a private indicator draft. Ah, okay. So you can minimize. I did not know that. I'm sorry for being stupid. Continue neutral publish public publish idea. Why is this thing suddenly monitoring the wrong? OBS had to go and break down now. Windows source. Why can't this chart be monitored, man? I can't. I can't right now. Okay, it's monitoring the right chart. Thank you so much for doing the honors. Anyway, now that we are done setting this up, we expect this level to be held. There is slight fear in the market. Volatility index is 22 today. Apple is trying to hold off 195. We are ready for edit, minimize. Okay. Intraday plan. Continue. I swear. Mad. We go long. Short at 184 area. The entire day with 184 being our next potential. Pivot. Okay, Hamza. Hamza. Um, our key level is our key level on Apple is 194. If 194 holds, we go long till 200, till 201 area, this area. If 194 does not hold, if you see it consolidating and then it breaks down, then we go short all the way till 184. So our key levels are 184, 193 and 200. Okay, bas. And if like the price, if 193 does not hold at all, the price opens and spikes down, then you try to get a short entry, the best short entry you can, and you stay short till 184. These three ideas, these three plans. You understood? Key levels are 184, 193 and 200. The price is at 194, 195 area. If this level does not hold, it breaks down, you go short till 184. If this level holds, you go till 200. Okay? If it's consolidating with high selling aggression and all that, you go short. If it's consolidating but you feel like, okay, no, this thing has strength, you go long. But if it starts consolidating, I feel like it might break down. But you need to observe if it's consolidating. But if it breaks either side, then you need to be careful. But these three are our important levels today, and we are going to be trading inshallah off of these levels. I don't know how to go back. How do I go back? I think the only other way is,
I hope it shorts.
yeah, because more RR, no, risk reward.
What? I don't know what is. I'm a pure gambler. I thought you didn't know.
सब साइको है यहाँ पे यार. कोई एक मुझे अपनी जिंदगी का नॉर्मल आदमी नहीं मिला. ना मैं खुद कितना नॉर्मल. आई डोंट. I don't know what I want about. Alt shift E. Let's see. Alt F. Load, nigga, load. Okay, thank you so much. Let's reduce this to 5. It is 5. Let's reduce this to 2, 3, 4. I think 5 is the best. Where is OBS? Okay. Okay, and we are recording. I think I'll pause for 5 minutes. For I think 10 minutes. Yeah, I need to make a small change in my how do I go to community? My posts. I want to make a small change. Edit. Cancel. Peaks out above 195. 190. Fakes out high to 196, 197. We wait a little and go short. We wait for a confirmation. Example, buyers being absorbed or selling pressure, and we go short. Hmm. We go long till 196, 197. If changes. Fix out. Okay. Uh, for manufacturing the iPhone in India, not in the US, the stock is currently trading at 114, 194.32. If then statements intraday plan. If the 193 level is held, we go long till 196, 197. If the price fakes out high to 196, 197, edit. Yeah, okay. 195, yeah. So I think we might expect some consolidation at 195 to 197, and then we might see a move. So allow. I don't know how to allow you. anything anymore. 428. Inshallah, today will go good. Shift F, FN11, FN11, and we are set for the market. We have 1 minute left, and the story is gonna be just checking if I'm, yeah, I am on my live account. Why can't I choose a number of stocks? What was that? Hamza demo. Instant execution, bro. Instant order placement. Okay. Practice money. Okay. 13 stocks. Let's take a look at Apple's ATR. Or I think we don't have enough time for that. We only have 11 seconds. Let's just 15, 20. Let's start with 20 size, or let's stick with 10. The market must be open. Where is the. What is Go Charting doing? I hate when stuff like this happens. It's not showing me any. Ah, bro. This sucks. This actually sucks. It's not showing me any chart. Let's just try to trade off of candles. Because what else can I do? I can't do anything else. No, I have available. Wait, I must have volume footprints on trading view. यार, why is this not working today, man? Stop with your webinar and just do what you're supposed to do properly. Let it come up one more time. If it does, then we take a shot. Let's try opening trading view. Did I open? Fuck off. See on super charts. How much is available? Okay, I have. Let's switch to this. Like gradient. I'm seeing trapped buyers. Now let's wait. Okay, I think now it's showing data. Eleven. No, it's very possible it may still there. The one place it won't make is there. Now, let's see. Our positions. I'm seeing drawdown of minus 80. But I'm expecting or trying to make 200 ish today, inshallah. This helps me see my drawdown, helps me see my margin as well. That is really nice. Thank you for showing me nothing. Okay, selling aggression, which is nice. That is precisely what I need. Right now, I want selling aggression. A bounce off of the view app is not desirable. The consolidation happened higher. I was expecting the consolidation to happen lower. Okay, this is not good news, but it's not where the majority of the volume is either. I think I might start closing my big positions here. How much I'm making each? Import. Okay. 72, and there was recovery. Do we see another recovery of the E? I think we will not see another recovery of the EMA. Yeah, okay, Hellers held their ground. I mean, held their ground, thankfully. On the days when I'm right, I should be able to make a bit more. Then on, if my drawdown is 80 on a day I'm right, I think I should need to be able to make 120, 130, 150, something like that. So I can, because on a day that I'm taking loss, I'm taking big loss. So I need to avoid letting that happen. Another push downwards would be nice. Can we expect that? Alt Shift E. No, it's far below the view app. Let's look at it. The 5 minute. We see a breakdown. 275. How's the SPX behaving? Okay, SPX is taking some hits. Nice. Opened 1630, and now SPY is returning to its level. 130, nice. I think this has more to do with structure than 107. Think we wait a little bit more. If not 193, at least till 194, at least till this area. Oh, 195. I think till 194 a move should happen. 194 is, I think, the area where I think till there a move should happen. So let's wait. Today I'm trading off of market structure because Go charting has decided to die on me. Here I was losing 80. It fell all the way there. I'm only making 100. Talk about scam. Will it hold this level for another candle? Because I don't want that. It Okay, it broke. Okay, it broke and then held again. This I don't like. I will not lie. There is the EMA coming down though. I think that might pressure this level a little bit. I don't want 195 specially being held. If it can drop all the way till there, that would be really nice. It's not showing any signs as of now. I think it's faster to execute orders from the capital.com platform itself. So I guess we made 100 something today. We made 6 hours. Was the total? I think that I can only look at the phone. Mhm. How much? How much you made? 105.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You shot it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Short at 197.
Oh, nice shot. I shot it 196. I'm still in trade.
I
105?
yeah,
Wow.
and then I took small size here 10 10 10 because I was not this one not the most sure shot. Then here I added 100 size straight.
How's it?
Loaded at 197.
No, I shot it
And I
196.
dropped after I saw some consolidation. Then I dropped.
Yeah, I know it's consolidating right now. That's why I
Yeah,
came
yeah.
here. No, I shot it
Now when you
196.
came, I understood.
I shot it, but my trade is still on.
अच्छा ये trade is still on.
Oh,
चलो.
it's dropping, it's dropping. Let's go. मेरे 194 पे अपना take
No,
profit
I
कर
dropped because I had 100 size now.
Yeah. नहीं तो एक और रख देते.
हाँ?
197 में और रख देते.
Yeah, you are correct. You are correct. Okay, guys, that's all the trading that I will be doing today. So I will stop the video here and inshallah see you tomorrow.